I just went today to my mom's house, so I'm at my mom's house today in Sparkbrook, near the former laboratory of Joseph Priestley of the 1700s. And as you know, this was farming land in the past. So I've dug out the hole, taken out the soil, and we'll be planting a peach tree. So rather than uprooting trees, we need to start planting trees as Muslims. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if the end of time comes and you are planting the sapling, complete planting the sapling. So while wars are happening, we will continue planting. The Zionist Jews are uprooting olive trees in Palestine. We Muslims must be planting trees while the Jews are uprooting trees. So here as well in Birmingham, we will continue planting trees. Get onto this mission of planting trees. Wassalamu alaikum. I will be now planting this into this soil. So some of our elders of the Jat tribe would tell us you use bajrani dane. These are bajrani dane. Whenever you plant, you place these bajrani dane, they help the growth. These are old farmer techniques. And you ensure the soil covers the root, but to a point, because if the rot sets in, the trunk will rot away. So you cover the soil up to the end of the root of base point. You make the diameter of the hole larger than the root itself, and you dig according to the root cells. So now I'm going to fill this up, and inshallah this peach tree will be a blessing, barakah for everyone.